is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and I hope you're having a great trading day. If you're new to the channel and interested in platform tutorials, viewing live day trades, or learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when getting involved in the stock market, please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's Trading Essentials video lesson, I'd like to discuss one of the best paper trading tools that you can use to practice your strategy at any time and at your convenience. So I am currently using TDameritrade. Their platform is known as Thinkorswim, and they have an amazing paper trading tool known as On Demand. And this feature allows you to paper trade any time of the day, so you don't have to only practice when the stock market is open. You can go back in time and actually select a specific date to begin practicing. So let me show you how it works. You can click On Demand, and then you can select OK. You can then click here on the calendar and select any date that you wish. So let's say I want to go back in time to January the 2nd, 2018. You can enter in a specific time and then you can select Go. So you can see here that the data is now populating. We have our 2-minute stock chart along with our level 2 window. And so it is almost as though we are trading in real time, except we have selected a previous date from the past. We selected 9:30 a.m. so it is as though we are trading the opening bell right now. So this on-demand feature will allow you to practice trading during the weekend or even when the market is closed during the evening. And this is a wonderful tool to use, and I just want to make sure that you are aware of this great feature that comes with the Thinkorswim platform. So how can you go about practicing? So once you understand technical analysis and how to create a solid trade plan, you can simply document your trade plan on the chart and then see if your plan works out. Document the results and keep practicing. So let's say you wanted to enter into the trade, you will just write down your entry price, and then you can see if your trade plan would have worked out. You can also change the time in order to fast forward and see if your trade plan would have worked out, and this will save you a little bit of time in the long run. You can also buy and sell within the platform, all within this on-demand feature. Now, when you are practicing, I recommend trading with the amount of capital that you plan to trade with when you go live. If you plan to start with, for example, $5,000, then don't trade with $10,000 or $20,000. That's not going to be realistic. So you just want to trade as though you are trading with your real capital so that the results will be realistic. So how can you gain access to this feature? You will just need to open an account with TDameritrade and fund the account with $25 to keep the account open and in good standing. Now, you don't necessarily have to execute your trades through this broker, but you can use the charts and platform for free. You'll be able to practice as much as you would like and at your convenience to hone your skill set and practice your trading strategy. So again, this is a wonderful tool that I personally use, and I have come to enjoy it because it gives you the ability to practice even when the stock market is closed so that you can continuously improve your trading strategy and become a better trader. I hope you enjoyed this short video lesson, and if you did, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.